Let us see how to draw median of a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Now let us recall what is a median. The segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side is called median of the triangle. That means we have to draw a segment from the vertex A which passes through the midpoint of BC. So we have to find the midpoint of BC. Similarly, a segment which joins B to the midpoint of AC, that will be the median drawn from B on AC. That means we have to find the midpoint of AC also, and similarly we have to find the midpoint of AB also. Now how to find the midpoint? It is the same thing as the concept of perpendicular bisector. So let us do this. Let us just take more than half of this, okay, and a cut above and below. Similarly, without changing the measurement from point B also make a cut above and below. The point where they meet, both the points of intersection of the two arcs, let us just join both of them. So this will give us the first perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector of side BC. So the first median will be the segment joining the vertex A to this point of bisection. Let this point be D. So AD is the first median. Okay. Next, let us draw the median on side AC from the vertex B. Again, the same procedure. We have to find the midpoint of AC. So take more than half of AC. Make a cut above and below. And without changing the measurement from point C, also make a cut above and below. If they are not joining, draw it again. There. Okay. So the 2 points which we have is this and this. So let us just join both of them. This would give us the second perpendicular bisector of side AC. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Observe that I've used a different symbol for side BC and a different symbol for side AC. Right? So this is the midpoint. So if I join from the vertex B, I have to join and get this segment. This is the segment. Let us name it as E. So BE is the median drawn from the vertex B on side AC. Similarly, let us draw the third perpendicular bisector. So side AB, let us take more than half. Okay, more than half, a cut above and below, and without changing from point A as well, a cut above and below. Wherever they meet, let us draw the perpendicular bisector. So this would be the third perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular, let me put 3 lines. So this is again a separate symbol used. So I've used a double line here, I've got a single line here, I've got a triple line here. Okay, this is the third midpoint, right? So just join from the vertex C onto the third midpoint. Right? Let us name this as F. So CF is the third midpoint. Sorry, CF is the third median. And observe, all the 3 medians are meeting at a point. And the point of intersection of all 3 medians is called the centroid, and it is denoted by the letter G. This is how you draw medians of a